Hi, my name is JB and I live in Los Angeles, California. I really love to take advantage of the weather and the great outdoors that we have here, and mountain biking is one of my favorite things to do. So I love doing it, but you know, there's times when it just gets a little too tough to go up those hills. So I decided to get an e-bike. A friend of mine had one, I rode it, it was fantastic. So I got the Haoqi e-bike, and the great thing about it is it allows me to have a little bit of that extra boost when you need it to get up the hill. I hate to admit that I need it, but wow, does it make a huge difference when I'm mountain biking. It gives me the opportunity to use the different gears that it has, take me up the hill, and then after a long day riding, it really comes in handy. The great thing about this e-bike, it gives me the capability to adjust how much power I need when I need it. It has 5 different settings with a 750 kilowatt horsepower engine, and it really comes in handy. The other thing that I like about it is the throttle that's on the right-hand side of the bike allows you to use this half maneuver. It basically, it knows you're grabbing onto the bike, but it gives you a slight delay when it does the pull, so you can determine how much power that you give to it. I mean, I come out here for the exercise. I really want to enjoy my time here, but when I need that extra boost to get up the hill, all I have to do is adjust the power setting or utilize the throttle that's on the handlebar. So I really love the fact that it's got these nice big fat tires, and when you're really going over rocks and going through some ditches and somewhere it's a culvert in the road or the fire road that I'm riding on, it just gives me a lot more stability, feels comfortable. I feel like I'm in control of it and I'm not going to lose control of the bike. The other great thing about it is the battery power lasts such a long time. I take it out for the ride, the battery lasts the entire ride, and it charges relatively fast. I charge it up overnight, looks great the next morning, I'm ready to go out again. So it's a fantastic thing. It has the Shimano Gears, which I love Shimano. It's been on all of my bikes so far. This one has them as well. Makes it easy. It's a brand I trust, and I know the gear's not going to give out on me when I'm far away from the city mountain biking out in the wilderness. Got lights in the front and the back, so if I'm out in the wilderness late and the sun starts going down, I can turn on these very powerful lights. It just lights the roadway for me, lights the trail, I feel comfortable in it, and then if I am heading back home, I can still use those lights on the street and feel comfortable that cars are going to see me. And it's just that feeling of safety that I love to have that's built in right with the bike. One of the great things about the bike is it comes with an LCD display that shows me exactly what gear I'm in and what power thrust that I'm giving through the use of the battery. Helps me kind of gauge my ride, if you will, so I know if I'm close to the end, I can give as much power as I need, have a little bit smoother ride. I really like the e-bike because it gives me the chance to get out with my friends and just enjoy the incredible wilderness we have in Southern California. I just feel great about it because I was a little hesitant to buy an e-bike, but once I did, I realized, wow, this just makes a huge difference on my riding experience.